when you realize that there is something wrong and there is something good, or there are changes or good changes or improvements, he would directly put it into replanning. No? You can take action that immediately because that's your own practice. It's not others' practice. Mana kalainan sa action and other type of research. Linear process with clearly defined steps, that's quantity kayo. Diba? One-time study conducted to evaluate your program. One time. This is, located to the cross-sectional.
Cross-sectional.
One method for large-scale data collection analysis usually only mga quantity nga modeling na. Kailangan yung hundreds and thousands of individuals involved in data collection. So the answer is letter D. Action research is cyclical. With that, most fundamental principle of continuous improvement. You are not supposed to stop. You are supposed to redo it, replan, and re-implement what you have started. Dili tayo ako na nanghipo. One shot lang. Kaya, pag-practice teaching ko, okay lang. Pero di mo mag-actually, hindi one shot.
One shot.
You just realize that. Tinuwag yun. Pero anyway, at least sometimes you know, one face isa. Not that the very faces. Because you can really claim na your new innovations, your new way of doing this learning is has improved your practice and that